First, we get you breaking news coming in from Chhindwara as we learn of a clash that broke out between Congress and BJP workers. This happened in ward number 25 in Chhindwara, where some workers got minor injuries as well as a part of this clash. Dispute that broke out between the two sides, and this was as the voting was underway. I want to cut across to my colleague Riyanka, who's been tracking all the developments on the ground. She joins us from Chhindwara as those pictures speak for themselves. The clash that led to broken chairs and people pushing each other. Riyanka, you'd really be able to explain better to what happened in ward number 25 and how did these Congress and BJP workers enter into a clash?
Well, see, as of now, the voting was going on peacefully, but now we are witnessing a situation from ward number 25 in Chhindwara, where clashes broke out between the workers of the BJP and the Congress party. We saw how the chairs were broken, how there was push and pull and a massive chaotic situation on the ground, with the cops also trying to stop both the groups to not enter into such a scuffle, but eventually there was this fight that took place. We have also seen how these workers of both the parties were pulling down posters that were put on the polling station. So, we see how the BJP at this point in time is trying to somehow get this particular seat of Chhindwara, and the Congress maintaining its dominance here. It is really a fierce battle because this seat particularly decides whether MP will completely be a bastion of the Bharatiya Janata Party or not. So because of this, several arguments are breaking out between both the groups. So this could be one such reason, which is why such a scuffle broke out in the middle of the road right outside the polling booth in ward number 25. See, since morning there was no problem. There was absolutely the voting was being done in a very silent manner. There was no issue that was being created, but now we have been reporting the fact that there was a minor scuffle. We are also getting to know that a few of the workers have suffered minor injuries as well when it comes to such a situation. As of now, in the other pockets of Chhindwara, we are not receiving any such news, but ward number 25 is tensed for a bit.
Riyanka, do continue talking to us to give us a better sense of who provoked in the first place. Is there clarity on that? Did the security intervene? And that, of course, the videos also tell us. But how did this possibly escalate to this level?
See, massive security is already in place. There are police and the CRPF jawans who have been stationed in several stations of the polling booth. But like we also saw in the visuals, it was on the road that was leading to the polling station, and then the chairs and the posters were knocked down at the polling station. As of now, we do not have a clear clarity on what was the reason for the scuffle, but we can only assume the fact that there could be an argument because of this particular seat being a really heated one. It is significant here because both Kamal Nath and his family and the BJP candidate Vivek Sahu have been going face to face over this one seat. So it remains to be seen. We will go ahead and speak with the officials to get a better clarity on this matter. But as of now, this is what we have.
All right, Riyanka, many thanks for getting us those details. Of course, we'll keep coming back to you for further updates.